Okay, now please listen. How to develop IELTS reading. That's what I'm going to tell you. We have solved one test together, right? Now, when you go back home, you start your practice. Initially, you will find all these things difficult. I gave you so many tips, techniques for a variety of question type and all that. Remember one thing, unless you take reading tests independently, you cannot be good at that. So there are two things. One is dependent practice, one is independent practice. For dependent practice, I'm going to share academic reading study plan with you and general training reading study plan with you. Those who are really weak at reading skill, and they belong to academic IELTS and they are very weak in reading, they don't understand reading, they should start from general training reading. There's going to be a 15 to 20 days plan. This is what I call dependent reading. You will watch the video as I read the questions now. You'll see, okay, acha, something like that. Question, answer, where to go in the passage and all that. That is dependent reading. So you start with dependent reading. That is number one. If you are doing your IELTS practice in morning and evening, morning for dependent learning and evening for independent learning. In the morning, you can solve one listening test with me. I'll share the links with you. Got complete study plans. I'll share them with you. In the morning, you can do one reading test with me. I'll share all those things, okay? In the evening, you're going to do independent, or one day for dependent learning and second day for independent one, okay? So you must do that independent thing. That is very, very important. Otherwise, you will complain, when I watch your video, I enjoy a lot. You solve the questions, मजा मुझे आ रहा होता है, okay, कि मिल गया. But when I open the book, then I say, oh, I don't understand anything, okay? So you need to, cover the gap. And gradually, what will happen? Dependent learning, independent learning. Dependent, and then the gap is going to be covered. Then your dependent learning will become independent learning. Then you will solve the tests like this. For that, you need commitment. You need dedication. ठीक है, ऐसे मुंह पे हाथ रख के आइट्स नहीं होगा, ठीक है, और ऐसे भी आइट्स नहीं होगा जे कोई मिन्नू आइट्स करा देवे थे. It's not like, yeah, okay, I don't want to say that. One of my subscribers sent me IELTS TRF. 5.5 band in listening and reading, 7.5 band in writing, and 7.5 band in speaking. And then he was asking me, can you please tell me ye asli hai? He was asking me this question, kya ye asli hai? And then I asked him, where did you get it from? Then he said, I paid some money and I got this. Now you just try to understand, listening and reading band is 5.5. right, in both modules. Writing and speaking 7.5. The first thing is यहीं से अंदाजा होता है कि ये नकली है, ठीक है, इतना बैंड डिफरेंस नहीं हो सकता, इतना 7.5 in writing and that candidate cannot get any good bands in listening, okay. Then later on जब उसको थोड़ा बड़ा करके मैंने देखा तो नीचे उस पर फोटोशॉप जो है वो काम हुआ था, तस्वीर भी उसकी लगाई थी, तब मुझे कह रहा था कि इसको मैं एम्बेसी में भेजूं या ना भेजूं. मैं कहा तू भेज, देखने की होता है. So he said, sir, मैं पकड़ा जाऊंगा. मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगा. Okay, so we'll just do that. So remember, there is no number 2 of IELTS to this date, and IELTS is your life changer. आपका हेयर स्टाइल बदल जाएगा फॉरेन कंट्री में जाके, की होया ब्लीच लगा ले, okay, अंग्रेज बन जाएंगे, पहचाने नहीं जाएंगे, नाम भी बदल जाएंगे. ओके, सो जस्ट दिस टाइम आप में से जो सारे लोग बैठे हुए हैं जिन्होंने अभी इस टाइम को सीरियस ले लिया, उनका भला हो जाएगा. वरना फिर ये होगा कि नेक्स्ट यहीं पे रिक्शों से कभी धक्के मिलेंगे, कभी कहीं से मिलेंगे एंड ऑल दैट. सो इस टाइम को सीरियस लें. अगर रीडिंग की समझ नहीं आती, जो काम नहीं आता उसको उतना ही ज़्यादा करते हैं. Do it again and again. Solve test after test after test, and you're going to be good at that. So the concept of dependent learning and independent learning, these two things are going to help you out with your IELTS reading. And same is the case with listening. Just do it. And for speaking, I told you, you can come up before time and you can have practice, right? So कितने लोग हैं जो IELTS के लिए मेहनत करने के लिए तैयार हैं? आंसर दें yes के साथ, हाथ नहीं खड़ा करने. देखा, सबने बोला yes के. See, जब yes में जान नहीं होगी तो फिर IELTS में जान कैसे आएगी, right? Are you willing? या भाई ने बैग उठाते हुए कहा यस. ऑलराइट, कहीं में मुझे देर ना हो जाए. ओके, सो थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट. जिन लोगों का स्पीकिंग पार्ट 1 हो गया था, दैट्स गुड. जिनका पार्ट 2 नहीं हुआ, अभी हम वो करेंगे. अब इसको रोकें जरा.